Hey tech fans. Now, sometimes I show things from the past and you see what this is, right? This is a case. Still in perfect condition. So, we have, these are mini floppy disk. Let me see if I can put it someplace. These are old. They're from the 90s. MDD, double-sided 40 tracks. Still good. We still have a drive for this in the house. Yeah. I'll have to get it out. It's buried, but I'll dig it out. And that's these here. Just pop it in. These are 5 1/4, 100% tested and certified by TDK. Yeah. We have a lot of them. Here's another one here. Let's see, system files. New mouse, version 6. This is made by a Japanese company. This was another one here. This is high density MD2 HD. Same thing. Still work. That's how you store them. You just put them in a sleeve. Or you put them in a case. I used to make games. That's what's on here. We have project games. 1223.93. This is a Sony MD2 HD. Still in mint condition. Even though it's been out in the heat, it's still there. Just pop it in the drive. This one is not in a sleeve, but it's still good. These are my shareware games back then I used to make. Yeah, I made about 67 games. Yeah. Compressed files. WAOL. Upload directory. Compressed files. Still on here. Sony. Oh, this is a TDK mini. This is uploading. Yeah, green. Still works today. Well, that's the way we used to do storage. Oh, goodness. Games are on here. New. I don't have the year on this. I have Baby Bratz 3.0, Prison 1.5, Die Dragon Slayer, and Fast Win 3.0. Fast Win. Yes, Fast Win is a utility, so when Windows would crash, you run it and it restores Windows without rebooting the computer. I came up with that. Microsoft contacted me and said, hey, we could do that too. Oh, but I already invented that. And it's an exec compiled. Yeah. Telling me, oh, we already have something like that. If you already have something like that, then why did you ever produce it and release it? I used to sell this stuff. Yeah. Oh, yeah, look at this. BASF. Wow. 2S HD. This is a backup copy. 1995. Yeah. Ooh, there. Trademark and logo. Yeah. See what else? Oh wow, A10 install full, 18/1992. Urban Data Life. It was a Kodak company. MD2 HD. These are they store 1.2 megabytes of file data. I'd have to put these in and see how they work. I don't know, anything with passwords I wouldn't have today, but I'm gonna see what I got. I go Windows BPM. So here's Windows BMP files. Okay. Graphical files. Well, everything's changed now. We don't use that anymore, but that's where we used back then. Here's my very first game and first version of FastWin 2.0 exact and Tank Tracker version 1. First one. Still works. Because remember, we have supposed to have 32-bit, 64-bit processor. If it can run these 16-bit games, then you know that it still can run it. And yeah, if it can run it, I'll find out. But we just need a floppy drive unit to run them. We have Windows GIFs. These are GIFs. Animated GIFs. Yeah, that's the file format we use. Wow, this is really old. Dave Dangerous. Catacomb copy. I wonder what that is. This is white. Well, it was white. It's not a fade. It doesn't say the year of it. Even Kodak made them back then too. Kodak diskette. 2S, 2D, MDD, 48 TPI. Still in good condition. Oh yeah. To stop the writing, you put the tape. The tape is here. You put that tape right here, and it stops it from writing. That's how you stop it from writing. So it doesn't write to it. Ooh, here's a rare one. Fujifilm. Yeah, Fujifilm. So Fujifilm formatted. What does it say on here? Double-sided, high density, 80 tracks, 96 TPI. Look at that. Still in condition. I'm telling you. What else is that? Ooh, I got the original Prodigy disc. Preview disc. See, the label fell off. That's how old it is. Prodigy. So that was the service before AOL. Before what you got today. Prodigy. Look at that. Yeah. See if anything else is there. Going through the old archive files. Blank. Wow, what's this brand? This is no name brand. This is WAV files that I made. WAV. A lot of WAV files. Wow. Write documents, WAV files. I guess that's about it. Here we got some system files. The label is coming off. It's yellow, so I'll show you two different colors. Seal that up. Thanks for watching. This is a short one. This is about the. I think. I don't know if I have anything else. Hey, hang on a second. We might be in for another treat. Okay, same thing, same case. We have a lot of them though. We have 3.5s, a whole bunch of those. Those are inside. They're more delicate than the floppies. Okay, they still work though. They're in mint condition as long as they're sealed and no air has gotten it. But they've been like that. It's been a long time. Was it 10 years? No, more than 10. 20 years. Still working. See, we've made a lot of progress, and you see, technology has advanced. A lot of you don't even never seen those before. Now you have. And they still work. We still have one drive that can run them. We just have to dig out the computer and get it up and fire it up. Old Windows machine. I think it's Windows XP. Maybe the last thing on it. Or it could be Windows 95. I don't know. It's been a long time. You know, we'll find out. Hey, We're out of here.